Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to share my views on these conflict aspects. One thing, do you have anybody having conflict along with peace and harmony? Anyone of you? You have conflict and you have happy and harmony also?
Yeah.
You have it?
Yes.
Both?
Yes.
It works?
Yes.
Fine, fine. I know, I don't know. Because when conflict happens, conflict arises, it damages mentally, physically, and not only with yourself, and you will also affecting others also. This is happens. Well, my topic is conflict resolution for peace and harmony. That is the thing I want to share with you. What in that aspect, I Mr. Narayanappa, representing an organization called Prakruti, is an NGO working in rural development work. With poverty eradication activities, we are doing it in rural areas, and totally we are covering more than 150 villages and 10,000 families we have covered with various activities, rural development activities. Many activities we have taken up for rural upliftment and other activities, environmental, forestry, fisheries, and women development, child development, many other aspects. We felt that one of the important aspect is that when a team members of us, we have a discussion, and in the villages, most of the people having lot of problems, they are facing lot of problems. Having all those our support and other this thing, we sat and sit and discuss our team members, felt that we have to identify the real problem. Then we went to villages and talked to them, and what is the problem and all, we have detailedly discussed with them. And they said a lot of problems they have expressed. The family problems and the in-between problems, internal rivalries and all those things they have expressed. And what we felt, exactly the right thing, what some authenticated proof we thought that is also needed. Then we went and studied what is the conflict and how it happens and when it happens in the villages. Then our team members felt that some authenticated information we can collect. Where we have to collect? We went to police stations and collect the information. How many cases lodged in what time in rural areas? About more than 9 police stations, about 11 months period, we have collected some information. It is most of the in villages, around 5 o'clock to 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. it happens. 85% of the incidents in rural areas, conflicts. Why it is happening? Why it is happening? Yeah, that is one of the aspect. People coming from hard work in the morning and morning to evening, and when they come back, some small sparkles will come that create the conflicts in the villages. And apart from in the evening time, most of them, many of them, with alcohol using and all these things, conflict arises. The morning it will not happen in any villages. It will happen only around 5:30 to 8:30. In that time it is happens. Then after seeing that, what we felt, how to solve this problem? How to solve this problem? It is we have convinced anti-Iraq movement and other things we have conducted and all these things. It is not happening. It is not working out. And some of the villages also we felt, some of the villages, they are, we think that in the villages it's a rosy kind of thing. They will celebrate festivals, enjoyful, joyful. No. In urban areas, they won't look each other and families and that kind of thing. In villages, what happens? Their rivalry and the conflicts and other this thing. Even festivals also, they will celebrate 2-3 festivals in the villages. Not usually, earlier it is not that. By seeing that, what we felt, we have to educate them. And what kind of education, when we have to need, how we have to give. It's a mass kind of thing. We cannot, it's about covering 100 villages. How many conflicts? Many conflicts. And how to tackle that? It's a counseling kind of thing necessary. Then we went and approached the judiciary aspects. Fortunately, our Justice H.N. Nagmohan Das, High Court Judge, is next to our place. He is from Mulbagal only. We have approached them, and we went also approached the police SP, and our collaboration with them. We have conducted many workshops and awareness in the villages and giving them. There are again conflicts in the villages. Conflict resolution means as the traditional system is there, which they don't know legal aspects. Legal law says in a different way. In that aspect, what happens? Morality, MPhil, like you can call MPhil. MPhil means morality. Sometimes it may not be practical or not. And ideal, we can say ideal. This is the situation in the villages, and it's a legal kind of thing. All the things cannot be solved in the legal aspects. We have the counseling aspects, and we have conducted several legal awareness camps, and how best we can incorporate both the things can be worked out. In that aspect, about 100 villages, about 700 representatives, those who deal the traditional system of Nyaya Panchayati, Samitis and other these things. And judiciary aspects, some people are participated, and along with the police also, top people they have participated, because police stations, they are the people who will not take certain police, they won't receive the positive response from the villages. And lot of hurdles, because whatever rural development and our input, time, energy, money spent, it really not solve their real problem. All the money and all the time and effort goes to these conflicts. They are not happy, and all these problems. We went that, and then we have came to conclusion that conflict resolution mechanism, how best we can work out. Prevention of commission of offences, that is one of the aspects we felt that, and in that aspects we have conducted several meetings in the villages, and what we learned out of it, our staff members and team members, we went and we learned many things while doing that. What is that? We have solved many conflicts arises. Prevention aspect one. Another aspect is the cases pending in the court. We have withdrawn some of the cases and celebrating the villages, and there are all the kind of aspects we have covered. This is one thing, a conflict, if you resolve conflicts, you can revive your life. That is the core aspect we felt. When you are comfortable, you can also comfortable with others, like that. When you are peace and happiness with inherent with yourself, and it can also percolate to others. When you are always tensed in conflict, definitely that only percolate to others. That is the thing we have learned, and what I suggest, and if you feel it is interesting, there is no difference of rich or poor, literate or illiterate. Most of the things, literates will also do many kinds of conflicts. Illiterates, they can say, okay, happened is happened. Compromise kind of thing will come. If you feel it is interesting, you can solve conflicts in yourself, at family level, at neighbors, friends, and community level. You can also contribute whichever the way it is possible and spread the happiness to everybody. Thank you.
Yeah. Are you open to suggestions from them?
Yeah, please criticize me.
Yes.